Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things with day 21 of March Madness. We have a card class card that has the cup of tea stamp set and dies, some nice sprigs that are, I believe, from Quiet Meadow. She didn't tell us where they were from. She provided the materials. I am gonna peek at the Quiet Meadow. Nope, not Quiet Meadow. I thought I knew which ones those were from. It is from one of the, maybe Nature's Harvest. I love that I have my stamps and dies. Here we go. It is Nature's Harvest. I knew it was one of the two. So this particular tall die are these skinny sprigs done in the vellum. I just really like all of the layers and the different looks with the 3 different colors. We've got Evening Evergreen, Blushing Bride, I believe. Either Blushing Bride or Petal Pink. I never can keep those two straight. They both have a very orangey tint for a pink, and one of them is more peachy than the other. Some lovely 2-color silver wrapped twine that I would love if Stampin' Up would carry more. So I've put it in the sandbox, hoping that they will heed my requests and throw some more metal wrapped nice baker's twines. I'd see that there are no embellishments. It is silver. I am going to grab, because of course I'm getting these ready and they are going to be going in my yard sale tomorrow. So I am looking for my embellishment box. These are Festive Pearls. They carried over. I had the shiny silver ones in mind, so I'm going to put 3 of them on. This Happy Birthday is from Beauty Abounds, and I believe that this rose, which is hidden, nestled behind, is also from Beauty Abounds, or is it Happiness Abounds? I have that set. So let's see if I've got it out. Happiness Abounds. Yep, so Happiness Abounds has the rose that's in the background, as well as the Happy Birthday. This is a lovely set. I really enjoy it a lot, especially the sentiments. It was the sentiments that did it for me, because as a rule, I'm not really a rose person. The die cut background is a scallop from the Scalloped Contour dies, which I also have. And the inside, we always decorate the inside. It has just a nice simple rose. I believe that's Petal Pink. Looking at it without all of the other pinks, I think that is Petal Pink. All right, so that concludes day 21 of March Madness. I'd love to know what you guys think of seeing cards every day. I don't know if I could do this every day all year long, but it's kind of fun to do when I have this backlog. So I think I will be doing it more often, probably closer to when catalogs are finished, because we have the catalog, the annual catalog, and the mini will both be retiring at the end of April. So this gives you a whole bunch of content to look at, because they will start, Stampin' Up will stop producing, and they will just sell in the last month until supplies last. And some items that I am showing you will be on sale starting April 1st. If they have any over inventory or high inventory items, they will put them on sale. So leave your comments here on this video or over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.